Hey everyone, welcome back to Reasonable Setups. Let's have a quick look on Bitcoin chart. We are seeing here for the last 4 weeks, it's been twice already. Bitcoin is retesting the bull market support band, and I think this time it's not going to hold. And in fact, we are going to lose and see all red until the September at least ends. That's my speculation. In the short term, I'm expecting to see Bitcoin around 100K, even below that. This blue line is 50-week moving average, which usually holds in the bull markets. But if we have weekly closes below that level, it means that bull market is over. But overall, my speculation is that Bitcoin, as I said a couple of times, the top is in on Bitcoin. The main thing right now, main plane is Ethereum. And the thing is, we need to figure out where the Bitcoin bottom is so we can enter Ethereum as well. So on a daily chart, if I open, you can see we are basically right now at the band, but I think we're going to lose it in the weekend as we are approaching as well job numbers, jolts, and very important numbers. But of course, I think Bitcoin is pricing in beforehand everything, and I'm expecting to meet Bitcoin here around 100K or 98K maybe to take the sell side. I'm not sure. But of course, as I said before, the top is in for Bitcoin and the cycle is over for Bitcoin 99%. That's my speculation. It's not a financial advice. I've been telling this for the last 2 months. So one thing I want to mention is USDT dominance, and my narrative is driven by mainly, one of the factors is USDT dominance. So you can see this head and shoulders pattern. You can identify this 1 day inversion level as well. So we held this very important level, and basically we are having a reversal in this chart. So what can happen in the last 6 months? This is the first time we are having a clear daily squeeze. It is just started. We will of course wait for the daily close, but I expect it to close above at least above 4.6%. The dominance, and of course this will be green, and we will see from that. On 12-hour chart as well, we are having a squeeze, and I don't think we are in the phase to expect some kind of distribution unless we at least hit this level, this supply and demand on a 12-hour chart, which is around 5.1%, 5.1 to 5.17%. Maybe we can expect some kind of rejection from here, and then I will expect to buy Ethereum. The worst case scenario is, I think, this 1 week supply and demand level, which was never touched before. You can see we took the liquidity from here, made a new low, but of course this is a complete reversal pattern, and we will see whether we hold here on USDT dominance or we hold at 5.5%, let's say around this area. So I'm not gonna long anything right now, and I don't wanna catch a falling knife as well, and I will wait to see how USD dominance performs, and of course Bitcoin as well. As soon as we see some deleveraging, I think it will be safe to enter Ethereum as well. Back to the Ethereum. Let's have a look on Ethereum. So this is the band, as I said. Monthly open is around 3,686. The yearly open and August low basically very close, 3,350 area. We'll see how low Bitcoin goes, because I think if Bitcoin loses the band right here, all the other altcoins, Ethereum, will have massive, massive liquidations to the downside. And yeah, I will try to update at that levels if we see something like that. And yeah, we will see. But of course, as I said, no falling knife catching for me, and the band is here. Maybe we can even go. We have a week below the band, and my main level to hold is this, of course, 3000 level, and below this level is a bear market for me for sure. But I don't think this is the case for this year. Ethereum has a long way to go to the upside. And as I said before, we can have a correction, maybe take this August low, have a consolidation, and of course, to the upside. And the target for first target is 5,800. And the other one is, of course, 1 trillion market cap, which is 8,300 for Ethereum. But of course, we need to follow stock market as well to see what's going to happen. And finally, I will open the chart for open interest, and you can see the bids are appearing around 3,600 here. Let me open the 4-hour chart as well. You can see we are seeing these bids appearing at 3650 basically. And as I said last time, this is the open interest for Ethereum, and as I said, I'm waiting to it to go back and to have some consolidation at this area before we have another spike up, and of course Ethereum hitting new all-time highs. Currently, the funding rate is close to negative, but it is flat basically. I think we can see one more push to the downside until this September ends, and we will see what's going to happen next. And OBV as well, you can see it lost the momentum to the downside with faked out, and I will expect it finally to hit this level, to have some consolidation here at this area, and then to go for another all-time high. That's pretty much it for today. As I said before, don't try to catch the bottom, because the bottom is not in my opinion. We need a massive volume. You can see the volume, even the volume here is not too good on Ethereum side as well. You can see the volume is still very low. I will expect a sharp liquidation event before the real bottom arrives. So stay safe, guys, and be bullish on the long term. Bye.